Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. As always, I'm excited to be with you, but today I'm even more excited because we have a new activity that I think you're going to love. But before we get into that, I wanted to look at what you did yesterday for your tens partners game. Raise your hand if you saw that 7 and 3, if you rolled a 7 and then saw that 7 and 3 makes 10, okay? Anybody see that 3 and 7 make 10? Okay, so what I want to point out is, look, 7 and 3, 7 plus 3 equals 10, and 3 plus 7 equals 10. Do you notice a pattern there? That if you have 7 on one side and 3 on the other, and you reverse it, you switch it, it still equals 10, right? Raise your hand if you saw that 6 plus 4 equals 10. 6 and 4 are tens partners. Okay, good. Raise your hand if you saw that 4 and 6 are tens partners. So again, do you see, right, that it doesn't matter which order they go in, it still equals 10, okay? 4, and I can't do 6 on one hand, but let's say that's 6. 4 and 6 is 10, 4 and 6 is 10, okay? Actually, wait, I can do 4 and, anyways, 4 and 6 is 10. And then raise your hand if you saw that 8 and 2 are tens partners. Yeah, raise your hand. And then now raise your hand if you saw that 2 and 8 are tens partners. You may not have gotten all of these, but what I want you to start to see is, right, is that if you're just thinking like 2 plus what equals 10? Oh, 8. 8 plus what equals 10? Oh, 2, right? And then I also got a 5 down here. We know that 5 and 5 makes 10. And then yesterday we had done 9 and 1 and 1 and 9, okay? All right, awesome, possum. So let's get to... Oh, and then for your word problem yesterday, did everyone get $14? Right, because 7 plus 7 more equals 14. Right, so 7, if you add 7 more, you can put $3 more in the 10 frame, and then $4 more down here, so that gets you to 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay? All right, so let's get to our activity. So what you need... should look like this. Wednesday fun activity. Okay? Watch the video of Mr. McAndrew for directions. Well, here we are. Okay? Alright, so what you need is this paper, Wednesday fun activity, and you need all of your connecting cubes. You should have 2 different colors. You should have 10 of each. Right, 10. I have 10 green and 10 orange. You might have 10 blue and 10 yellow, or 10 green and 10 purple. I don't know. But take all of those out, okay, because you're going to need them. When you have all your materials, including a pencil, then come on back. Okay, you can pause the video, get your materials, and come back when you're ready. All right, you back? Okay, so let's have some fun. So here's how this works, okay? It says 2 equals something plus something, all right? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to use our blocks, our cubes, and we have to build 2 towers that add up to 2. All right, so do I have 2 cubes? 2 cubes, yes. Okay, so there's 1, 2, and there's 1 of each color. So what we're going to do is, we're going to then, move these over here, we're going to color in 1 of each tower. If you want to use 2 different colors, that is fantastic. That's what I'll do, but you don't have to, okay? So we know that 2 is the same as 1 plus 1. Okay, that's an easy one. Now let's look at 4. So take out 4 cubes and build 2 towers, or 2, let's say like, I don't know, cube trains, whatever you want to call them, that are equal. So I've got 4 cubes, okay? So I can make one like this, and I can make one like that. Okay? So we've got 2, and how many are in each tower now? So if there's 4 altogether, there's 2 here, and there's 2 here. So I'm going to shade these two right here, 1, 2, and I'm going to shade these two, 1, 2. Okay? You starting to get the hang of this? So 4 equals what plus what? If we're thinking of doubles, remember doubles is when you add the same number to itself. 2 equal groups come together. So we have a group of 2 here and a group of 2 here, and that makes 4. So we're going to write down 4 equals 2 plus 2. Okay? Maybe you should pause the video right now and make sure you write that down so you know what's going on. Okay? So pause that, catch up if you need to, and then come back. All right, so the next number says it's 6. So I'm going to get 6 cubes. Actually, this time, yeah, I was going to get 6 cubes. All right, so I have 6 cubes, okay? And I'm doing them 2 different colors. So I'm trying to make one tower in one color and the other tower in another color. So can we make 2 towers? And I know they're going this way instead of up, but just so you can see it. Can we make 2 towers that have 6 cubes and that are equal? Okay, so if I do this, is that equal? It's not equal, right? Because I have 4 in this tower and I only have 2 in this. But if I move this one down, I have 3 and 3. Does that equal 6? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it does. Okay, so I'm going to shade in 3 of them here. 3, 6 is the same as 3 and 3. All right, you're starting to get the hang of this? So whatever number it is, you have to build 2 towers that are exactly the same, okay, that add up to that number like 6. So there's 2 towers of 3 that make 6. All right, so pause the video if you need to, otherwise let's move on. So turn the page, okay, and at the top it says 8. All right, so what I want you to do is take out 8 cubes, okay, and make 2 towers that are the same that add up to 8. Okay, do that now, pause the video, and do that now, and then when you're done doing that, come on back. All right, so how did you do? Are you still a little confused, or is it making sense? So here's what I did. I have 8 cubes, right? I have 2 equal towers, okay? Or maybe I shouldn't call them towers. Maybe I should call them, what should I call them? What are you going to call them? I don't know. I'll call them towers for now, but you know what I mean, okay? So we have 2 equal towers, 2 different colors, and how many are in each tower? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So I'm going to write down 4 plus 4. Right? In other words, if I have 8 cubes and I split them into 2 equal groups, right, I end up with 4 in each group. 4 and 4. This is going to help us remember our doubles. Okay? So what I would like you to do is try the same thing with 10. So take out 10 cubes and see if you can make 2 towers the same way we've been doing it. Okay? 2 different colors, and each tower is exactly the same amount. All right? Mark it, set, go, and I'll meet you back here when you're done. All right, so did you get 5 in each? Because 5 and 5 makes 10. Looks like a 10 frame, right? So you would color in 5 up here. You'd shade in 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. And we'd also shade in an equal number here to show that you can break up 10 into 2 equal groups of 5. So we know that 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay? By the way, are you noticing a pattern yet? Noticing a pattern? So for example, look here. 1 plus 1 makes 2. 2 plus 2 makes 4. 3 plus 3 makes 6. Right? 1s, 2s, 3s, 2, 4, 6. Okay? Are you noticing anything? 4 and 4 makes 8. 5 and 5 makes 10. What do you think what plus what do you think makes 12? What do you think it is? All right, so what I want you to do is the same thing that I've been doing with you for 12 and 14, okay? And then when you're done with that, come back and we're going to go on to the next page. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, so welcome back. Did you get 6 and 6 makes 12? And did you shade it in? And 7 and 7 makes 14? Okay? Boys and girls, did you notice that Mr. McAndrew made a mistake? Do you see the mistake that I made? I did make a mistake. Look at up here, 10 equals 5 plus 5. That is true, but I made a mistake in my drawing. I didn't do 5 and 5. I did 6 and 6. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to cross that off, and I'm going to cross that off. Okay? Did I make a mistake? Yes. Was that okay? Yes. Why? Because I saw it, I corrected it, and I learned from it. So my brain just grew. Good for me. All right, let's go to the last page. Okay? I want you to try this for 16, 18. And when you're done with 16 and 18, come on back and we'll do 20 together. Okay? All right, I'll see you in a minute. Make sure you pause the video and do 16 and 18 with your connecting cubes. Please. Thank you. All right, so welcome back, boys and girls. So how'd you do? Did you see that 16 is the same as 8 and 8? Did you get 2 equal groups of 8? So I'll write that down. Okay, and then for 18, did you see that there were 2 equal groups of 9? Okay, so 9 and 9 makes 18. Now, what do you think about 20? If you have all the cubes, right? If you have all the cubes, then what would you end up getting? What do you think? You show me number of fingers? Who thinks you're going to get 5 in each group? How about, let me move my head out of the way here. How about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Well, let's find out. So I've got all my cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm missing one of my green ones, so I'll add this one, which is also green, but a little bit different color. So there's a bunch. And now let's add all these in. And let's see how many I have. Because I know I have 20 cubes total. So if I put them all out and I put them in equal groups, whew, that's a big, those are big towers, right? So let's see, I have, how many are in each group? I have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in each. All right, so we know then that 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 more equals 20. So we would actually shade in the entire tower like that. And this one as well. Okay. So if you look, boys and girls, right? 8 and 8 makes 16, 9 and 9 makes 18, and 10 and 10 makes 20. So I have a question down here that I want you to think about, which is this. None of the doubles add up to 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 or 11, just 10 and 1, right? Or 13 or 15 or there's a bunch of numbers that just they don't work. Why? Why not? I'm going to give you a hint. I'm going to put out 5 cubes, just green cubes. Okay, 5 green cubes. And I'm going to try and make 2 equal towers. So let's see, I'm going to put 2 here. I'm going to put 2 here, and if I put that one there, I've got 3 and 2. And if I put this one here, I've got 2 and 3. I can't do it, right? I can't make 2 equal towers. So I want you to talk about this with your teacher. Okay, why are there certain numbers that don't make doubles? All right, but we do know that these numbers are doubles. We know that 2 is a doubles number, right? Let's get my marker. 2 is a doubles number. 4, because 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. These are all doubles numbers. 16, 18, and 20. Okay? All right. Great job, boys and girls. And the only thing left to do today is your TENS partners